Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Aftab. Today we will discuss the use of so and such. So let's get started. Question 1. Why did you leave in blank a hurry? So or such. What is the correct answer? Think about it. And the correct answer is such. Why did you leave in such a hurry? Question 2. It's blank. A shame you didn't admit all your mistakes. The options are so or such. So what will be the option in this blank? The answer is such. It's such a shame you didn't admit all your mistakes. Question 3. Thank you for being blank patient. The options are again there, so or such. The answer is so. Thank you for being so patient. Number 4. It was blank kind of her to show me the way. So and such. Two options are there. You have to decide that what is the correct one. You can pause this video and you can think about the correct answer. And here we go for the correct answer. And that is so. It was so kind of her to show me the way. Five. They are blank kind of people. So or such. So again the similar options are given and you have to think about the correct answer. And the answer is such. They are such kind of people. 6. It's blank a long way to the airport. So or such. And the answer is such. It's such a long way to the airport. Question 6. This summer was blank much better than the last. So what will be in this blank? So or such? Yes, you can think for a while, you can pause, you can think, and then you can decide that what will be in the blank, so or such. So let's go for the answer, and it is so. This summer was so much better than the last. Question 8. Do not go out in blank bad weather. So or such. What will be used here? The answer is such. Do not go out in such a bad weather. 9. There was blank much traffic that we were late. So or late. So the options are so or such. So think about it. And here we go for the correct answer. That is so. There was so much traffic that we were late. Number 10. She had never seen blank high mountains. So what will be used here? You can think for a while. Okay, let's go for the correct answer. And it is such. She had never seen such high mountains. So is an adverb and such is a determiner. and we use them to intensify the meaning of adjective, adverb, or nouns. We use so before adjective and adverbs. For example, this park is so beautiful. There is another example. The flight was so incredibly cheap. We use such before nouns or noun phrase. For example, it's such a beautiful day. There is the second example also. They are such kind people. We also use so with much, many, little, and few. For example, so many people watch cricket matches. Thank you very much for watching this. Viewers, you can share your scores in the comments below, and if you have more queries or questions, you can write in the comments and you will get the answers very soon. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.